Welcome back to my channel Everyday Stocks. We have a quite neutral week, I would say, because on Monday and Tuesday we saw a lot of stocks moving up and we made a lot of profits. And again on Wednesday and Thursday, suddenly stock market falls. I see a lot of stocks went down and few penny stocks were up like 300%, 400%. So I'm not a big fan of penny stocks, so I invested very less on penny stocks. So, and again today I see market is little up for few of the stocks that I am holding. So if you see my current week, I am up by almost 1%, I would say, like $400. So I would say this is a neutral week. Neutral kind of week. So let's see the stocks that I asked you to invest, how they are doing. First one is LMNL. So Liminal Biosciences. So Liminal Biosciences, when I asked you to buy, it was around I think $5.20 kind of thing. If you see at one point it moved up to like $6.70. So $6.70, so it was almost up by like 20 to 30%. So if you took out profits, that's a really good thing. If you haven't taken profits, you can still hold on this stock. It will again go back to $7 or even more. Take out the profits, or you can hold it for longer term. It will go up to $10 or even more. So then the next stock I talked about was Infinity Pharmaceuticals. So Infinity Pharmaceuticals, guys, this stock when I talked, it was around $4.30. Then it went up to $5.70, and then again it's now currently sitting at $4.04. If you guys have taken profit, that's fine, or if you haven't taken, buy this dip, guys, and bring down your average price to $4.10 or $4.05, because this stock is again, believe me guys, this stock will move to $7 or even more. So if you average down, you will get more profits at the end of the day. And the next stock was, so I asked you guys to buy Shift Technologies like last week. So at that time the Shift Technologies price was around $8.20, I guess. Now if you see, at one point it went up to like $10.70 or $10.80. You can see it here. At some point it went up to, I remember it went up to $10.60, maybe after hours, I guess. So we made like good profits, guys. If you see, Shift Technologies is up by like 22% this week, so we made good money. So if you haven't sold Shift Technologies, you can hold on this. It will go up to maybe $11 or $12. You can, at that time you can sell and take profits. So so I will ask you guys to invest next week on few stocks, guys. First one is Ideanomics. So Ideanomics is currently sitting at $4.63. So $4.63 is like a sale, guys. Believe me, this company will do really good in coming days. So my primary objective is to hold this company for this year end at least. I have a lot of shares invested on this. You don't believe me, guys, I got this for like $2.70. So I invested heavily, and this company will surely go up to $10 short term within like 3-4 months, and if you wait until year end, it will go up to like $15 or even more. So this stock will do really good, guys. So if you haven't bought this stock, just go ahead and get this, because $4.63 is like a sale. And next stock is OGI, guys. So OGI, Organigram. So it's a marijuana company. So this is like a easy play, guys. So if you $3.85, anything around $3.50 is a good price to buy it. So if you guys don't have a position, just go ahead and get it. I got it for like $3.20, guys. I am going to get few more once it goes down to $3.50 or even down. I'm going to get few more shares on this company. If you see, this already moved up to $6.45 here. So I'm sure this company will go $6 shortly, maybe within a week or two. Or yeah, just take out your money if you get like 60% or 70% of the money, and you are going to get a easy money, guys. And the next stock is, I want you guys also do some option plays. So these are the two stocks you can do some option plays. First one is Palantir. So Palantir Technologies is currently sitting at $31.76, guys. So you can do two things. First one is you can just buy $100, and when it moved up to $35 or $36, you can sell all of your stocks and take out those profits. Or you can also do one thing. You can do the option play, option call. So trade options, select February 26, buy call. Currently it is at $31.80. You can select $32, one contract, and you can hit review and submit. Yeah, I'm sure this stock will go up to $35 or $36 shortly. See, guys, I already invested in I already took the calls, and I was in little profit. I will wait until next week. So when I see more profits, I am going to sell it. Yeah, don't be greedy, guys. If you get like $100 to $200, just sell your contracts and take out the profits. And next one is Li Auto, guys. Li Auto. So Li Auto, it's currently sitting at $31.88, guys. So yeah, you can do the similar thing like Palantir, guys. You can buy 100 shares at this price or even low, and just hold on it until this month end, guys. I'm repeating it twice. You have to wait until this month end or March first week. Same thing for trade options. So you have to keep March 5 as your deadline. Buy call options, you can select 32. So one contract, $288. Yeah, this stock will go up by this month end, guys. Believe me, this stock will definitely go up. Yeah, these are the few stocks, guys, you can rely on, invest on. You can make some money, and whenever you got few profits, you can sell few of your positions and you can hold few other. Yeah, that's it, guys. Keep like and hit subscribe button, and also turn on notifications, and also share this with your friends and family, and help me in growing this channel. Thank you.